Welcome guys to another video of Bugsploit. Today I am with you to show how a malware attack is happening and how to create your own malware. So basically, don't those who are not having an idea of malware, so let's do something stuff for you. A malware is basically a miscellaneous application or a miscellaneous thing which we can do it or which we can send to our organization, and we encrypt all the file in that specific directory. So let's see a glimpse now. What is You can see there is a folder for malware, and I have set this like especially this environment for malware testing. Don't try this at home, and this video is for educational purpose only. Don't try on any friend or any other because it might harm them. So you can see there is a malware.py file. It's a Python script, and there is a sol.py, and there is also a hello.txt. So let's understand how the malware works first, then I will go with the scripting part. Let's change the directory to cd desktop and malware, and if I do ls, you can see that three file which have been located here. So if I do cat hello.txt, so here is some of the good things. Let's make a new file. Let's say now I will have nano secret sccrit, then I will say I am bugsploit, or let's assume this file consists some useful data, and let me do again cat a secret, and so you can see like yes, there is some data which are being showing off. So now let me clear this screen and run this malware.py. What is this malware.py? I will come first, but before that just check it out. What is that? Just I will run the python 3 malware.py, hit enter, and you can see this out. These are the text, and let me just get the file. So you can see the file data has been changed, and it has been encrypted into a string which you can't assume what is to be. And let's see with the another file also which we have done secrets, so it has also been encrypted into such a encrypted file which we can't see. So what a malware is actually doing, malware is encrypting the file which is present in malware directory, like all the files except the python, or like except some of the file which I have been doing it up so that we can do it up. Okay, now what happened, let me say like our organization is having a file in their servers, and a malware attack is happening, and all the data get encrypted, and what actually the attacker or the hacker do, the hacker charges bitcoins or like anything that they want from the company, and they like do it, and then they give the key. And let me show you the key here. Before that, you can see there was a main.key file is previously it was not existent, so now there is a file called main.p, and if I do just cat sorry main.key, you can see it's a key which this is the key which has all actually encrypted these two files, so these are the all the content of that files. So now let's do one thing. Let's decode it out using sol.py. I have created a decryption also, because after the company agrees to give you a bitcoin, so you need to definitely decode that file for them. So if I hit enter, and now let me just do cat secret, so you can see that data is back again. First, when I have done secret, it was showing this something stuff which is encrypted one, and then it's again like when I have like done the thing, then it has been done. So now let's understand how to make your own malware. So for that, just let me open or nano malware. So this is just a script, a common script which where I have been using some cryptography libraries which is funded, yeah, definitely funded. The like it seems something very oddly, or like the pronunciation is somehow fartnet or what. Rather, jokes apart. So now what are the first two line indicating? The first two line are indicating the uh, like what are the libraries I have imported. First I have import OS, then I have import the funnet like cryptography.funnet from funnet library. Then what I have done, I have taken a variable, or it's a like array, it's actually array variable. So I have named that array variable to files. So what this file variable will do, it is listed here. So like yes, this line. So now what it will do, I have considered a loop. So what it will be doing, os.list directory will help you. Like if I let me just open terminal. Okay, open new tab. So let me just do python 3. So you can see, like if I copy this out where it is, yeah, os.path dot, sorry, uh, os.list directory. So copy it out and just paste it out. So let me check it out if it won't be working because there is a syntax error. There is again a syntax error. Let's dir. There's again a syntax error because the module is not so I need to run import os. I was just import os, then you can go with this os. Okay, there is invalid syntax. So like you can check it out now what I have done. Os list directory command which I have been using is actually getting you all the files which are present there. So I have first created a variable array which is actually storing all this file variable, and then I have done a loop, and this loop will be running unless and until the first file the last file comes. Like it will be starting from the malware, then sol, then hello, then secret, then when, then malware.py.swap again. Okay, so it will be done. So I hope you understand what's the function of this line. Then I am asking or checking a condition using a if statement. So if the file name is malware.py men.key, like I am using men.key to store my files, or you can use any third-party applications or third-party APIs to send the key to your email address, to your Gmail address, so that the key cannot be stored into their system. So that will be definitely a thing. And then you can also go with the file like the sol.py. Like it's not compulsory, but if you are having making it for first time, because I am showing you why. Like I have already made the sol.py previously, so I am just restricting to encrypt like I am restricting the malware to encrypt these files, malware.py, men.key, sol.py, etc, etc. So if this is if this condition is checked, I will go for continue, and then again it will be like this line, the os os path is file. So what it will do, actually it will check whether it is a file or not. Like if we make a directory also, so it will encrypt the directory inside that, so we don't want that. So if you want to encrypt the directory, you can remove this and you can add the directories options to encrypt the directory. So I am being only telling you in the first part how to do like a minor malware attack for fun purpose or something like that. So os.path.is file, so it will be actually telling you that we are having a file or not. If we are having file, like if any directory is there, so it won't be considered out. So all the files, like here we have files which are malware.py, sol, and everything, it will be considered. Okay, so after that it's over, and then I told ki yes, print all the files which are there. So it's in the output you can see that file has been printed. Then going with the key, here I am generating a secret key using fornet library. Fornet library. So fornet.generate key function will actually generate a key and will store into the variable key. Then what we have done, we are opening, or we are creating a file men.key, and we are actually writing that file. Like we are giving the key value to that file, storing the key value, because we need the key value for the decryption purpose. So what you can do, if you're using any like SMTP servers or something like that, you can give the Python code and you can get the key on your mobile phone if you don't want to store in the local machines. Then you can go for files, and this is the actual system where we are creating a malware. So what it is doing, it is actually calling all the files again, and then it is actually fetching the data. This two line is actually what happening. Here I am opening the files one by one in a read binary. RB is for read binary, W is for write binary, just telling you, RB for read binary. In the read binary mode as file data, and what I am telling the file data to read the data of the files and to store it in CONT variable. So after that, this line is actually for encryption. Here you can check it out, CONT underscore encryption, then the fortnet, then passing the key value dot encryption, then the constant, or like what I am going to encrypt it out, and the encryption value is stored in CONT underscore ENC. And then again I am writing, like here I have opened with read binary. Okay, I am reading the data, but now I am overwriting the data. Why I am overwriting the data? Because I need to change the data, so I am overwriting the data with what? The encrypted one. So let me just show you the exit. So let me clear the screen and let me just run python 3 malware.py. So this output is for this one print file, and then it is generating a key and storing it out. If you can see ls, you can see men.key is there. If I do cat, sorry, cat men.key, you can see a key variable has been stored, which is a secret key. And if you go for cat hello.txt, it has been encrypted, so it has been encrypted and overwriting. So this is the way how you can create a binary file, or or a malware. Okay, now let's coming to the solution part. No, sorry. So the same, like all the first part will be same for that, but the getting the files name and everything will be same, but the changes will come from here. Now what we are going to, we are storing the, first of all we are opening the file men.key in a read binary mode. Okay, and we are reading the key and storing the key value in a variable decy key, decrypt key. Okay, now what we are going to do is we are again doing, like again starting a loop where unless and until the files are being covered out. And what we are doing, we are actually opening or taking the data one by one from the file, the encrypted data. Okay, in a read binary, you can see the read binary mode. What I am doing, I am reading the data and I am storing it to CONT. And you can see the cont dec variable, what it is doing. You can see fortnet and dec key, what the key which we have already been stored from the men.key file, and decrypt the content. Okay, and then what I am doing, I am again like overwriting the data into, like you can see write binary. What I am doing, I am again writing the decrypted data into the files. So let me just do python sol.py. So I think, yeah, it's open. So let me just close it out and let me just, okay, sorry. So it's telling that there is a system problem, or because what it can do, like let me just tell you the why it is telling. Because here the file which we have been calling out, like I haven't deleted the file. Okay, men.key. So definitely ls, if you do, here will be men.key, and the men.key is the old one. That's why you can see the error is being coming. You can see that during the web and then acceleration and like in unvaried token data days. So let me do one thing, let me remove the hello.txt, because these are all encrypted. Rm men.key, rm sol.py. Okay, no, I don't want to remove secret. Now let me make if I do ls, I will be running with two of the files. And now do nano data.txt, and let me say I am ugxpl.p, please, okay, subscribe, please subscribe to my channel. It's a request to everyone. So if I saving this data and if I doing like cat data.txt, you can see the data is there. And now let me run the python 3 and encrypt the like malware.py. So you can see the data.py. If I do data.py, it has been encrypted, and if I do ls, there's a main.key. You can also like cat main.key. You can see the data. Now let me run python 3 sol.py. So you can see the again, if I do data, you can see the data is back again. So this way you can do a malware attack, or you can create your own malware. And definitely, like, it's a python script, and how to convert this python script into exe file or something, you can use auto py to exe. This is actually python module, auto py to exe. Okay, what it does is actually like it's a git clone, and you can do it up. And then you can, if you write like autopy.exe, what it will do, you can see the graphical installation. Let me just demo is not being showing up. What it will do, it will convert your application, the py file, into a exe file, and you can see like you can see this will be the interface, and you can like convert the py file to the exe file, and can directly work in like Windows and everything. Okay guys, so I am stopping up here. I hope you like the video. Please don't forget to subscribe, share, and also press the bell icon to get notification as early as possible.